Hello C++ programmers, I'm Alex Bolboaca. I'm a polyglot programmer, author, trainer, and CTO at Mozaic Works. I will also be a speaker and your host at the 5th edition of CppEurope taking place on the 23rd of February 2021. I can't wait to share with you some of my experiences with dealing with C++ legacy code, in particular with having some surgical style of intervention on huge code bases with a technique that allows us to make refactorings and changes into areas that are not necessarily tested. This is a technique that I've been researching and trying out with groups of people, and it seems very promising, but it also requires more feedback from the community, so from people like you. And I'm sure if you're working in a C++ project that you are actually dealing with large code bases. So this is what I will be sharing with you at this conference. But beyond that, the conference is amazing, and I'm not saying that just because I am part of the organizing team, although that's definitely a point. I am saying that because some amazing people will be part of the program, including Herb Sutter and Patricia, who you both should know because they are well known in the industry. So I'd like to invite you to join us for CppEurope 5th edition, taking place online. You don't have to travel anywhere. Well, you can't, unfortunately. You can join us online, you can interact with the speakers, you can ask questions, and you can participate in conversations with the other people who participate at the event. But only if you want to. If you don't, you can just relax, listen, ask some questions, get a few answers, and this will be a great experience for you. See you there!